A Syrian official says the United States, which occupies land in northeastern Syria, has been plundering the country's natural resources. U.S. forces entered Syria in 2014 under the pretext of fighting the Islamic State. The Syrian government has repeatedly called for the withdrawal of the U.S. forces from Syria, describing the U.S. forces as forces of occupation.
الولايات المتحدة اليوم هي دولة محتلة لأرض سوريا، تنهب الموارد السورية، تنهب القمح والنفط، وهذا معيب بحق دولة بحجم الولايات المتحدة أن تفعل هذا الأمر. ولذلك نحن لا نثق بما يقولون، لأن هناك تناقض صارخ بين ما تقوله الولايات المتحدة وما تفعله على الأرض.
Last month, the Syrian Foreign Ministry also said that the presence of U.S. forces in northeastern Syria and its plundering of the Syrian oil aim to obstruct the political solution and the return of stability and security to Syria. It slammed the U.S. sanctions imposed on Syria, saying that the U.S. unilateral sanctions and measures are threatening the lives of the Syrian people and are detrimental to the present and future of Syria.